My name is Kevin Masharia. Kevin Masharia, Masters in Computer Science. Today we shall look at data analysis. Data analysis is the process that involves the correction, manipulation, and examination of data for getting a deep insight. So, on that we shall basically look at the four main types of data analysis. We have the descriptive analysis, we have the diagnostic analysis, we have the predictive analysis, and then we have the prescriptive analysis. So we shall deal on those four main types of data analysis. So on the descriptive analysis, the descriptive analysis tells us on what happened. You can use the current data or the historical data that can help you to get a trend on, or give an insight with a trend on what is basically happening. And on that we can use four types of descriptive analysis, where we can use measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion, measure of position, and measure of frequency. On the measure of central tendency, we can use the mean, the mode, or the mean, mode, or the median, so that we can get an insight. On the measure of position, we can use the percentiles, be it 35, 40, be it 25, 50, 75 or so. Then we can use the measure of dispersion. Measure of dispersion, we use the range, the variance, or the standard deviation. Then on measure of frequency, we can use the counts or the percentage. Then on the second type of data analysis is on diagnostic analysis. It basically tries to answer on what happened. So we try to ask ourselves, why did this happen? Why did this happen? That's all about diagnostic analysis. You can use the histogram or the box plots, so that they can, or the box plots, so that they can help you to get an insight on what happened. Mind you, on the descriptive analysis, it doesn't go deeper than that. Just gives you a trend on what happened. But now, from diagnostic analysis, we try to go deeper to answer why did this happen. Then on predictive analysis, we try to see what might happen in the future. So we are trying to foresee or to predict what might happen. Then on on the prescriptive analysis, we try to see what should we do next to maintain this. So basically, in data analytics, it's just taking the analyzed data and working with it in a systematic and useful ways to make a decision. So basically, to demonstrate on that, I may use this given data set here, for instance, on water levels. At times we can get the water levels to help us see if there is a given decision that is need to be made, or we can see. So from that, I have a data set here with about 24,110 entries, and to demonstrate on all these on data analytics, I will use my Python, whereby I have on this I will use the Google Colab, where it supports the Python. So I've loaded my data my data set here. Let me just load it. We go step by step. We have our data set there. Let me load it there. Then next we shall do our data cleaning. Then After we've done our data cleaning, we can do the descriptive analysis now. So we've said on the descriptive analysis, we can do the counts, the median, the standard deviation, the percentiles, 25